shit get lost. She in the back right off. She wanna fuck on the boss. She wanna fuck on the law.
All right, y'all. We back with another one. Say what's up, Ruby.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Did you want me to take off from the mount to the fucking radiator support, or just the front? Right
Just
here?
the front.
Okay, cool. Makes my life easier.
And look at, I feel like a professional.
Tripod dump truck.
All right, we back with another one. Today we're just kind of fucking around, working on the Z's and shit. Right now what we're gonna do is, I think I explained it in my outro in the last video, but we're just gonna take off this bash bar right now for the new bumper. So much better looking, dude. So we already tested this new bumper, and remember what we were talking about the other video, this gap right here, and this one. And just overall the bumper looks cleaner on here. The only issue is this bash bar is making the bumper lift up. So we're taking this off right now. So I'm either gonna cut it, hit it with a hammer, or just leave it off in general. I really want to put it on and have it fit just in case it were to crash. I'd be able to save some of the car. And for Ruby's, drop 5 likes and he'll tint his taillights black like mine. Only 5, Ruby. Yeah, I'm gonna be one of those 5, so 4. 10. But yeah, today what we're gonna do to his, we're gonna fuck with his, he finally got it working again. I don't know the last video if I did, but we're gonna fuck with his taillights because they're still not, they're only working when you press the brake, but not like the nighttime running ones. So we're gonna try to fuck with some of the wiring. And then your headlights too, right? Your headlights aren't turning off?
My taillights don't work.
It's your taillight, you fix your headlights?
Yeah.
All right, cool, yeah. So his headlights are good, but it's just the taillights. But yeah, I'll show you guys right now. I already kind of showed a video on how to install bumpers. It's not too hard, but I'll show you the whip right now with the bash bar off. All right, so we got the bash bar off, and look at this bitch. I got both of my horns working right here. I don't know if you can see them. It was nasty. Anything to say to the people, Ruby?
I'm glad it's finally getting a bumper, so hopefully it gets painted soon and actually
A nice car.
macizo, you know what I'm saying?
For real. But yeah, we're gonna mount this on real quick, and then I'll show you right now.
Yeah.
I don't miss that white shit. That's how real men be drilling. You guys have anybody over for Thanksgiving?
My brother.
Really?
We played with it. I lost like $6.
Did you?
Yeah.
You have a skinny.
Skinny mini?
Yeah. It's like probably one of those. Yeah, Wolverine had ass. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn! All the motherfucking money.
No, we just gotta make them biggers.
And get the other 3.
Yeah.
Cool. Now how do we go about the other 3?
Yes.
Let's just record for 20 minutes.
Nice.
Goes in?
Yeah.
Hmm. Boom. She is on. Fucking schmexy. Oh, I gotta close the hood. Bro.
Broke it.
Ah. Just spanking you. Bam! That bitch look good. So much better than the first one, dude.
Yeah, it lines up a lot nicer.
Check it out. No ugly ass gap. We had to do a little bit of cutting right here, just because it was hidden here, but that bitch is on.
Nice.
She looks good.
Nice. Nice.
That bitch looks wide.
Nice.
Bro, it looks so fucking wide.
It's dark. You can't really see much. I mean, it's black, so you know what I'm saying, but.
Don't hit my fucking toes. I won't come back. Let me keep the heat on while you hit it or no? Alright. Don't hit my... Hit that bitch. Oh. Grab the handle lower.
No, it should be fine. Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, grab the handle lower because you're gonna hit your fucking... Yeah, right there.
No, that's
leverage,
too
dog.
much. It's too much. I only need to do it hit it more. It's flat now.
You gonna go in the middle now? Fucking wild. Look at this shit.
Four fucking $400, $500 pipe just getting beat on. Just to make it fit.
That's crazy.
Should you buy a toenail?
Fuck it, just get a tummy. Cook some bacon on this bitch. Oh, look what I got.
Damn, that shit's dirty. Damn,
Yeah. If I don't land it, you gotta kiss me. Go ahead. The foam, eh? Sounds so much deeper with this. This shit looks so cool. That's the LGBTQ car. We got the watch right now. We're gonna wait some gas, probably some food after. Serious question though, I'm really debating. Obviously, I took this off the Sluber for them to do tin back here, but I'm contemplating putting it back on or just leaving it off. I don't know. It looks kind of simple. I'm going to blue reflective tin on it. I just got it in today, but I feel like it looks kind of simple without it. Obviously, I'm gonna get a wing in the future, but I don't know. Leave in the comments what you think I should do. I personally like it without, but I think it looks aggressive with it. but yeah, let me know down in the comments what do you think I should do.
This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 1600 block.